Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you potato and coffee will vanish the wrinkles for you permanently, get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and get baby soft skin naturally, close open pores and get rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation. It's super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally without causing any side effects. It's better than surgeries and better than laser and fillers. It is super effective than Botox. It is amazingly effective, my friends, and will get you an amazing results. From first use you will notice a great results in your skin, but keep using that remedy to achieve the best result ever and to vanish all the wrinkles and the fine lines. The first ingredient we need is one small size potato like so, and peel it and wash it very well, and then we need to grate it like so. Now my friends, we need to strain the potato to get the fresh potato juice. Like so. Strain it very well to get the fresh potato juice. Now my friends, keep adding like so. Keep adding the potato and strain. Keep adding potato and strain it. Like so, my friends. After strain it, we get the fresh potato juice, as you can tell. Now we need to add on it around 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Now mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing and combining all the ingredients together, with an aid of cotton ball, dip in a cotton ball into the remedy and apply it on your face, on hands, on feet, on any place that you want to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and you want to get baby soft skin naturally. Apply it and leave it until it dries out completely, and then rinse it with cold water. You will be amazed with the result, my friends. I prefer to apply it at night before I sleep, and I see a magical results on my skin. Keep applying and you can store the remedy for up to 1 week and it's not gonna go bad or anything. Store it in the fridge and keep using it every night before you sleep to achieve the best result ever.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.